Oh, gajah no. Nah, ini gajahnya namanya, kalau ini namanya Iwe, satu lagi Clara.
Bedanya dari mana tuh?
Ya? Bedanya yang satu agak gemuk, yang satu lagi enggak.
Bayar 15.000.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being.
Kita naik bus.
Dan kita memasuki area rekreasi, di mana di wahana rekreasi ini ada flying fox, jalur pendek, jalur panjang, ada perahu air, mini train, mini golf, dan juga gajah.
Dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Oh, gajah no. Nah ini gajahnya namanya, kalau ini namanya Iwe, satu lagi Clara.
Bedanya dari mana nih?
Ya? Bedanya yang satu agak gemuk, yang satu lagi enggak. Dan ini ada hewan terbaru kami, jirep feeding atau jerapah di sebelah kiri. Nah ini hewan terbaru kami ya, feeding, untuk feeding. Tapi kalau mau lihat-lihat di luarnya tidak berbayar ibu, kalau ngasih makan itu berbayar.
Kenapa berapa berbayar?
Untuk 2 orang Rp250.000, 5 orang jadi Rp350.000.
Dia lebih banyak orang.
Jerapah ini namanya barak dan kali.
Barak dan kali.
Iya. Terbaru kami juga. Di sini kita ada kelinci dari Amerika Selatan, Ibu. Ada Patagonia Mara atau kelinci Patagonian. Kelinci terbesar di dunia juga nih. Terlihat nggak untuk kelincinya? Oh, ya kelinci itu yang lagi santai, Bu. Lagi santai kayak di pantai, Bu. Terlihat dari sini. Itu salah satu kelinci terbesar. Untuk kelinci ini tidak loncat-loncat ya, dia jalan. Berjalan. Tidak loncat-loncat seperti kelinci lokal di kita. Namanya makan, mereka bisa feeding nih. Jadi nyantai. Kalau ada yang ngasih makan, mereka jalan. Nanti beli tiketnya di sini, Ibu. Kalau mau naik gajah, atau naik masuk ke taman kelinci, naik. Nah, untanya bisa di sini Ibu, sebelah kiri. Terlihat dari sini untuk untanya. Ayo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want
Sekali lagi di sebelah kirinya ini ada favorit ya. Ini salah satu wahana kita yang free. Di dalamnya ada ular, ada buaya, kura-kura dan hidro.
got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's.
Like, subscribe, dan juga sudah kalian. Terima kasih. Bye bye.